Hey squad, welcome back to my channel. I hope that this video finds you in wonderful, great, excellent spirits. So I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. I am going to start with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Light Ivory as my base. Alright guys, so we haven't done this in a minute, so I want you to go ahead and pause this video right now, right here, because there's nothing big going on right now. Just applying the base, laying the foundation. So you can go ahead and pause, or if you want to walk off while I blend this out, go ahead and do that. And go tell yourself that you love yourself. Go find a reflective surface and tell yourself you love yourself. If you have been struggling lately, tell yourself it's okay you're struggling. It's okay if you've been down. We're going to get back up again. Okay? So it's okay. Take a moment. And then once you take that moment, straighten yourself up, fix yourself off, dust yourself off, and get back onto the game plan. If you are having a wonderful time and everything is falling into place and you're vibing and everything is great, still go tell yourself you love yourself. Tell yourself you're awesome. Tell yourself, I'm so proud that you did this. I'm so glad that you accomplished this. You have this radiant glow about yourself. You're beautiful, you're gorgeous, and I love you. So go tell yourself that. Tell yourself you're awesome. It is okay to pat yourself on the back. You have to, because it's not up to everybody else to acknowledge your achievements. Of course it's nice, it's great, especially if you work for them, but you gotta make sure that you're doing it for yourself as well. Like I said, be your own cheerleader. You know yourself the best. You know more about what you've accomplished than anyone else, so you make sure you tell yourself, excellent job, great job, look what you've done, queen. There's more to come. We got through this, we're going to get through more. So good times, bad times, make sure you're telling yourself you love yourself. Either cheer yourself up or cheer yourself forward. Okay? Cheer yourself forward. There you go. Alright guys, so we're just blending that in, and now I'm going to set that with a powder, and then we'll be ready to get this party started. Alright guys, so we're going to start off in a crayon case, and we're going to use this shade right here and this one right here for right now.
Highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough. I've been drowning in love.
So I did end up adding a little bit of this color to this one just to deepen it up and give it a bigger contrast, because it was just blending too well into this orangey coral color. So now we're going to use this color right here and see how that does. I might end up adding a little bit of the dark brown to there. Alright guys, now we're ready to cut the crease. I'm going to go in with LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain, which is lighter than Ivory, to really make sure the colors pop. Alright guys, now we're going to play with the Fallin Love Bundle from Baddie Cosmetics. And let's see what shades we're going to use today. I was playing around with these colors when I recorded the last video, so this is what we're going to go ahead and use. So we're going to start off with Burnt Orange. And it looks like that. And we're just going to pack that color. So we did kind of like a circular shape, so we're going to pack that color onto the outside of that shape. Okay, and then we're going to go in with Pumpkin Patch. And this is going to be an orange shade. Like a really bright orange shade. And get open. So that's Pumpkin Patch. And I didn't say this on my other video, but I haven't had the need to use like any adhesive with these. They pretty much, you know, go on the eye and do their job. So you don't need adhesive or any setting spray or anything to use these pigments. I mean, you definitely can if you want to change the texture to give them more a metallic sheen, since they do have that metallic property to them, or shimmer property. I think that shade went on a little patchier than the other ones, but you just got to blend and work with it, and then it works just fine. So now I'm going to use, this is still Baddie Cosmetics. This is their Moet pigment. And you can use this one as a pigment, and also I've used it as a highlight shade. So we're just going to pack that right in front. Normally I use, if I'm going to use this as a pigment, I'll use some type of base, but we're just going to do like this and see how it does. Shape. We're going to use a liquid lipstick. This is from Motives, and I forgot what color this is, but it's kind of like a coppery shade. Let me put a little bit dab. This is what that looks like, and we're going to use that for the base versus the concealer, so that way it has more color to it.
In the motherfucking house.
Okay, now for the glitter. It was hard to choose because the glitters are all so pretty, but I'm gonna go with Leave Me Alone and Pumpkin Spice. So Pumpkin Spice is a fine glitter, where Leave Me Alone is that chunky glitter. So there's Pumpkin Spice. Alright, here's Leave Me Alone. And they're like little leaf glitters shapes in there, which are really cute. But I don't want leaves, so I'm going to try to not put leaves in here. Alright, so I'm going to use my NYX glitter base adhesive.
Supposed to call you, but I don't know what to say at all. No, mama, you never said tear, cause you have been set things year after year, and you give me your love beyond compare. You find the school fee and the bus fare. It's so